Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sharmina. And before I start this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates from this. And yan lang yan, makita mo makaagad. So, it's been a while. So, it's been 3 months, 2 months since I uploaded my video, the last video. Yung sa umuulan yun na time, right? Yeah, when I can't remember. Oo, kasi nag-show ako ng nails ko, guys. Nagpagawa ko ng nails last week. And it's green. It's green. Yeah, hindi lang siya, but it's green, okay? It's not gray, it's green. Yeah. It's green. Dapat kasi mag-French tip ako. Parang next time na lang kasi feeling ko kapag mag-French tip ako masira ko siya. Kasi ay laba kasi by hands. Hindi niya may washing machine wala ka. Pero kapag magbanlaw, ganunin ko kasi siya and ipasok sa dryer. Ayan. So, I am looking at our store. Kasi lumabas yung lola ko. And she, nintay niya yung tito ko doon sa kanto. Kasi may bigas. And then, pinuntahan niya lang. Ang ganda ko. Like, may pimple ako ngayon. Pero hindi ko pa gina-remove ang makeup ko ha. Nakauwi ko lang galing school. Then, check ko pa ang pee ko. Except sa naka-shorts. Naka-shorts ako. And yeah, as you can hear the radio of my grandfather because he's right there, but I can turn it off because it's on. So I'm watching. This is my 5th time watching One Piece kasi while waiting sa episode 1123, I'm rewatching One Piece because it caught my amazing attention. Yes, you heard it right. One Piece. I'm a fan of One Piece dahil I'm on. So, 6th time ko lang nire-rewatch. So, nasa ano ako? Episode 776. When kailangan ng kunin or kailangan nilang sundan nila Luffy, Sanji para kunin nila kasi, you know, Sanji got arranged marriage, bro, and Luffy wanted to before sila mag-away ni Kaido, kailangan kompleto ang nakama niya, siyang crew. No, Straw Hats are not complete. Is not complete without one missing. Hindi na kompleto kung wala si Luffy. Diba? Like, remember niyo yung sa Sabaudi, Sara. Tapos, yun yung nasa time skip na tayo. They are waiting to Luffy kasi siya ang captain. Or, hindi mag-sail ang Thousand Sunny kung wala ang captain nila. Arasa. And I've read the manga 2 days ago, te. I was shocked when I read the manga. Spoiler alert! Naging Nika. May sun god Nika si Bonnie. I was so shocked, bro. Tapos si Loki, hindi ako din. Tapos yung si Shamrock. Mga, to ha? Like, this would be like the official spoiler, okay? Shamrock. And then, sa Egghead, namatay si Becca Pang original, yung malaking ulo. Oh. Si York, a villain. Grabe yung betrayal, te. Grabe yung shockness. Kinakita ko yun si York. Ganon yung shock, te. Pero was na shock. Ano yung parang napanood ko tong One Piece. Akala ko lang. Before kasi, I was not a fan of One Piece at all. Fan ako ng Fairy Tail. Slumdog. Yung mga old anime na nasa age ko. And then, tinry kong mag-watch ng One Piece but I stopped sa episode hanggang doon lang ako sa ano ni Luffy si Zoro, hanggang doon lang ako. Yung iniwan na nila Luffy si Kobe lagi sa island para like to achieve his dream to be a marine, bro. And then doon na, then nagka-live action. Live action. Tinay ko mag-watch at super ano. So I watched the live action. It was so good. So I was in Pangasinan back then. Like, pero matagal ko lang na-watch ang live action. Then parang naisipan kong mag-watch ng One Piece. And patuloy hanggang naano niya yung attention ko. And then I was so shocked while watching, bro. I was like, akala ko boring siya. It's not man pala. Kanina, I was watching episode, yung ni-reveal nila Cat, Viper, and yung pangalan nila si Cat tsaka ni Dog, o yung sige away, na yung poneglyph na yan, yung red, diba? Yung 4 na poneglyph, yun na yung yung direction papuntang Laugh Tale. Spoiler alert to, Laugh Tale. Which is yung last island ng Grand Line. Ang last island na pinuntahan nila Goldie Roger. Okay? I was so shocked. Magtaasan. Talagang mabalayibo ko dito. Kalit natin. Still, yung revelation, madaming like, it's a good anime when yun ang sa'yo. And when, kanina kasi, nagsalita si Zunisha kinausap ni Zunisha sila, Luffy and si Momonosuke. I was so shocked. Na lahat ng balahibo ko talaga. Kasi, ilang beses ko na lang napanood. Pero grabe talaga. Talaga. It still give me goosebumps, bro. Every time I watch every episode na grabe. Super. Yeah. If na lang. Ano na lang kapag yung war, Great War, yung last war, King of the Pirates. Pero, remember what Oda said? Before matapos ang One Piece, mayroong Straw Hat na mamatay. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Noy, tabang. Wasin joke na tong Oda. Kay Oda mapatay. Ako mismo ang magpatay sa'yo, Oda. Di joke lang. I'm just joking, Oda. But yeah, it's great anime. I recommend One Piece anime, especially the movies Gold, Red, Stampede, and more. I recommend the live action too. It's a good live action, but I hope mas better kung mas maganda ang maglabas na live action this year. It's 2025, so season 2 na live action will come out this year or next year pa kasi madami nangyayari. Hope it's madaming spoiler ang maririnig nyo here, and I hope we'll talk about that more because next time I'll talk about Fairy Tail, and Fairy Tail is one of the things that I really wanted to share with you guys because I'm a fan of Fairy Tail. Who wouldn't, right? So yeah, so that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Sharmina, and if I add this video, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell for more. Bye bye.